Here is how you can increase the text size on the iPad. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel and if you have an iPad, make sure you are subscribed to Foxtecc because I have so many tutorials which are going to help you out. So on your iPad, you just go to the settings and part of the main section, you can click on a display and brightness. In there, the first option to take a look at is the bold text, which when you enable it, it will make every single piece of text thicker, right? So you can see it's wider, it's much more prominent, the contrast is better, so it's much easier to read. But right above the bold text, we have the text size slider, and you can bump it up a bit more and choose the perfect setting for you. It will, of course, make the text larger across the entire iPad, so no matter if you go to the settings or any other place, the text will be of that size inside every application. So that's another cool thing to take a look at. But at the bottom below, in the display and brightness section, we also have the display zoom. And when you click on this, you have two options. It's the default as well as more space. So if you have the more space, it will make every single thing smaller. It will make the icons smaller, the text bubbles, the text size, right? So you just want to make sure that you don't have the more space option, but that you have the default one selected on your iPad. But other than that, you don't really have any other ways how you can do this. In other words, that's it. That's everything I wanted to share with you in this video. So if you like this type of content, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos about iPhones and iPads and all that kind of stuff. So thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next tutorials as well.